Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. How to make short animation videos using Canva. In this simple tutorial, you'll learn how to quickly edit 3 short mobile videos using Canva templates with animations. With just a few clicks, we'll customize colors and fonts to match your brand, adjust text boxes to fit our message, edit video lengths, and tweak sound settings. The templates that we're going to be using today are premium templates. That means we need Canva Pro. And don't worry if you have Canva free account because Canva Pro has free trial. Let's get started with video number 1. We'll be using the template that you see on the screen right now. As you can see, this is a Pro template. I already have a Canva Pro account, so I'm going to click on Customize this template, which is going to take me automatically to the editor. And from here, to edit this template is very easy. As you can see, we have on the first screen this animation that is already made, and you don't need to do anything. So let me preview this first page. If you want, you could change the text on this text box. And as you can see, you can access the text box and change the text if you want. Just click on it. But I actually like this one as it is. I'm going to move to page number 2. We see a video in this frame, which I'm going to change for a video of our own. I already have that video uploaded in the upload section. And if you want to upload a new video to Canva, simply go here and then click Upload Files. You'll be able to upload your images, videos, and audio to Canva. This is the video that I want to insert in this template and drag this video inside the frame. Now all I have to do is to adjust the size of this video. As you can see, the video that I inserted has a different ratio as a frame that we see on the template. So I simply need to double click on this frame and then adjust the size and the position of my video. Something like this. I'm going to hit done. And then I will crop the video that I inserted because I only want to see a little section of this video. Perfect. So I want to crop this video somewhere here, and I just need to preview the video and see if everything looks fine. YouTube is launching a new troubleshooting tool that will help support creators who believe their account has been hacked. The new support assistant will guide. Okay, this is perfect. And then we have watch full video on my channel. I just need to change this handle to Technic Force. And now let me show you a simple trick that you can use to further customize this template with a couple of clicks. You're going to select one of the colors on this template. In this case, I'm going to select the color in the background, and then I'm going to background color. I'm going to use this one, and then click on Change All, and they will be changed automatically. Last thing that you can also do is to select one of the text boxes and change the font if you want. Then you also have this button that says Change All. You can see that in the other pages, the font will be changed as well. Anything with these simple changes, the template is already looking on brand. Of course, you can continue customizing this template even further, and you can continue changing the colors in the text inside these text boxes if you want. Now we have video number 2. This is the template that we're going to use. So let me click on Customize this template. And here, because we have music and sound effects, we have to use a different technique, different than the one I showed you in the first video. So we're not simply going to drag and drop a video inside a frame, but we need to adjust the length of the video using a tool that I haven't showed you so far. Let me go to Upload. I will use this one right here. So before we drag and drop the video inside a frame in this particular template, we need to check the length of each page. So this one is 2.5 seconds, and we need to have that one noted. We're going to drag the video inside a frame, and then by selecting the video, we're going to use this tool in here. Click on the button, and then add the timing of the page in here. Remember that it was 2.5 seconds, then hit done. And now the video and the page has exactly the same length, which is 2.5. Let's preview this first page. I think this one looks good, but if you need to adjust a little section of the video that you want to use, you simply need to click on the video, go back here to trim, and then play around with the selection of the video. Click done, and then you can preview the video one more time. Then we're just going to do exactly the same thing on page 2 and page 3. Next is to mute the video that we just inserted in case that it has sound. This one in particular, it has sound, so we need to go to audio by selecting the video, and then you can click on this icon to mute that video. You can do the same with the other videos just to make sure. Lastly, remember that you can change the colors and the text in your video. Next, let me show you how to edit this pretty cool animation in Canva. Let's go to customize this template. And when you land here in Canva, you will see that there are a lot of things going on, but if you need to use this animation to promote a new video, you simply need to change the handle. So I'm going to click here and change it to Technique Force. And watch full video on my channel. I'm going to leave that. I'm just going to change the font as always. And then instead of this green color, I'm going to change it. And then I'm going to adjust a couple of colors more. And that's it. Let's preview it. I like this one because it's so easy to customize and the hard work is already done for you. So if you have your animation done and everything looks fine, click on share at the top right, click on download. And from here, you're going to select MP4 video, or if you want, or if you need it, you can also download it as GIF, but the suggested file type is MP4. If you're going to upload it to Instagram as a reel, TikTok, or even to YouTube as a short video, download it as MP4. If you have a Canva Pro account, you can increase the quality to 4K, then you just need to click download, and that's it. And that's how you can create short animation using Canva templates. Tips: keep your animation simple and clear to avoid overwhelming the viewer. Use consistent colors and fonts to maintain branding. Consider the pacing of your video. Adjust the timing so the animations aren't too fast or too slow. By following these steps, you can create engaging short animation videos using Canva. Before we end this video, let me introduce to you Pixie from Technique Force. Let AI take over your photo editing. Bye-bye hard work and Photoshop. Create illustrations, photos, ads, logos, and more with the world's best AIs. 100s of ready-made workflows. Forget prompts. Just click and generate. 10 plus AI models, exclusive and secret AIs included. Generate high-quality images with just a click. Create and edit photographs, illustrations, posters, signs, logos, ads, thumbnails, and anything else you can imagine with exclusive high-quality AI models. Unleash the creative imagination of AI at your command. Generative AI is incredibly powerful, but it's hard to harness the true power all by yourself. Being a prompt engineer or expert is a task that requires serious study. Don't bother, Pixie does it for you. Create beautiful logos, banners, signs, and other advertising graphics easily. Need graphics for social media that stand out? Pixie makes it easy to create them. Create logos, banners, signs, and any other graphic you want in a matter of minutes. You just apply the name. Huge ready-made prompt and workflows library. Download in the size you want. Pixie supports high-resolution images. You can use them in your social media graphics, videos, or even print. Download the images in the size you want and use them anywhere. Remove backgrounds from any image. Want to remove backgrounds from your image? Do it in seconds with Pixie. Don't need to use Photoshop or any expensive app. Upscale images and restore photographs. Got a low-resolution image? Pixie can upscale it and make it high resolution. Not just that, it can fix and restore old speckled and discolored photographs to make them brand new and fresh. 150 plus ready workloads. Click and create easy. No need to be a prompt magician. Pixie is your magic. Perfect AI calibration and control. Upload any image and rework it. Use every top image AI. Use them all. Searchable repository of your images. Get access to hidden and open source AIs. Get uncensored AI generators. And a lot more. Get the Pixie power to create the AI images that go beyond anything you've done so far. Choose where you want your business to be. Choose Pixie. So what are you waiting for? Get Pixie now. Just go to getpixie.in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.